What you're seeing on screen is the Comprehensive Technical Report, AI Hub Solutions, Capabilities and Governance document. This document is quite extensive, being 12 pages long. If I just scroll through slowly, you can get an idea about the kind of content within this document. What I'd like to do is create a simplified version of this document and have a version that's easier to understand. This can be useful if you need to create different versions of similar documents. What we want to do to begin with is select all of the content within the document. I'm going to do that by holding down the Control key on the keyboard and pressing A. With all the content selected, I'm now going to press the Rewrite with Copilot button on the left-hand side. This presents us with the following menu items that we could select. Now, we might be tempted to select shorter, but that will literally make the document shorter. We could also utilize writing suggestions, so that may make some very valuable suggestions about the document. But because we want to do something specific, we want to simplify the text within this document, I'm going to use the Describe What You'd Like to Edit box. So I'm going to click into there and I'm going to type a new prompt. As you can see, I have added a prompt on screen, which is simplify the text in the document, make the tone easier to understand and suitable for a prospective client to overview. Now at this point, you may want to pause the video so that you can copy this prompt. Otherwise, please refer to the support materials related to this training course. And when you're ready, go ahead and select the blue Send button. Now that Copilot has completed the task, it's important that you have a good look through your document to check that the changes are satisfactory. If you're happy with the result, you can choose to keep it. This means that you can also keep the original content if you want to contrast that. Otherwise, if you're happy to replace the original content, go ahead and select the Replace button. And following this exercise, this has also reduced the number of pages from 13 to 8. Now, it may be that you want to convert a document such as this one, which we have honed for a prospective client for a different purpose. So it may be that we actually have to expand this content. So in terms of expanding this content for a different purpose or a different audience, I'm going to hold down the Control key and press A. This will select all of the content in the document. And then I'm going to select the Rewrite with Copilot button on the left-hand side. And because I have specific elements that I'd like to introduce or add into a prompt, I'm going to utilize the Describe What You'd Like to Edit box. In terms of the prompts, as you can see on screen, I've added the following, so expand the content in the document, make it suitable for a senior management team, provide detailed technical information and insights, ensure the tone is professional and well structured. Now at this point, you may want to pause the video so that you can copy that prompt. Otherwise, please refer to the support materials related to this training course. And when you're ready, click on the Send button. As you can see, Copilot has successfully completed that task. And so now it's a case of looking through this content and checking that it's okay. I've had a good look through that and I'm pretty happy with what's been produced. As you can see, Copilot has successfully tailored this document to be relevant for senior management. Now, as before, we could choose to keep this content and the original content, or we can replace the original content by selecting Replace. And that's what I'm going to do. And because this has been extended, it's now 10 pages as opposed to the previous 8 pages, and it's a more extensive document.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.